Alright, so for now, this is trying out the new GoPro, but the issue I already found with it is that using the hat clip, if I use the headband, I sit too high up, so you guys are looking way up here. But if I use the hat clip, it's better, but because the hat clip itself is just about to be in view, I can't really use it in the super view so you guys can see, you know, a little of everything. So for now, we're just doing the slightly zoomed in. That way you guys don't see the clip itself, and I'm just gonna have to figure out some sort of mount on the hat to fix that, so that way I can have it zoomed out. So we're gonna go skate for a little bit. So yeah, see if I got any energy. And yeah, taking the BMW because I'm just enjoying driving it more or less right now. It's having slight issues with the alignment, and then slight issues with the diff bolt. So the front diff bolt on these cars is known to be like super weak, and I just started drifting this thing and mine already bent. So I'm waiting on the upgraded bushing with a somewhat beefier bolt to my understanding, and hopefully that fixes the issue. If not, then I'm gonna have to try something else. And then the alignment, the toe is all good and everything, but the caster for some reason is out, and from factory it's not adjustable. So essentially this front left wheel is further back than the front right, or maybe that one's just further up from center at least. So right now the wheel is to the right because the car is, you know, kind of correcting itself because it wants to pull to the left. So kind of annoying, especially at freeway speeds, and more so my OCD because I hate driving with a crooked steering wheel. But there's nothing I can do about it right now. I have to save up and get either an angle kit or caster plates, but at that rate the caster plates cost, you know, half as much as the angle kit, but you don't even get customizable adjustability. You just get either, you know, A or B based off of how you mount the plates. So I'd rather just do the angle kit and buy once, cry once. I was waiting to get an angle kit till I got more seat time until I actually needed it. So I'm kind of bummed about that, but the alignment being an issue is obviously an issue. So it's always something with these cars. But it's actually like, it's not even the end of summer yet. It is September 1st today, and it rained all last night, so it's actually super nice out right now. Still kind of overcast, but nice nonetheless. So I'm gonna go try and skate and hopefully not, you know, get too overheated. So we're gonna stop for some coffee quick, and then yeah, head on down to the skate park and hang out for a little bit. This house just got refinished and redone. Got a nice detached, you know, shop over there, like with a garage. Oh, it's so nice, but they wanted like $425,000 for it, and that's just so unrealistic, especially for what it is. I gotta soften the dampening on this thing though when I'm doing these videos and when I'm daily driving. Save the stiffness for the drifties, because this is brutal. You guys are probably bouncing all around right now, and I apologize for that. Hold my bill still, even that's not helping. This road just sucks ass. Gosh, I can't wait for, you know, winter to show up. I know a lot of you guys are East Coasters or Midwesterners, so winter sucks, but Arizona winters are dope. The summers are just brutal, but if you can get through the summer, the rest of the year makes it worth it. This does not help that the hat that I chose to put this on is super weak. So like the weight of the new GoPro is like really making this thing bounce a lot. So I really apologize if it's picking it up pretty good. Oh boy, welded diff life, tight U-turn. Good Lord. Yeah, I gotta say, you know, daily driving with the welded diff is honestly kind of annoying because it makes the car feel like it's braking, to be honest. I noticed the tires wear pretty chunkily, depending on if you're taking more left or right-hand turns. If, you know, whatever, you'll see chunks, kind of little balls of rubber coming off the tire from it skipping around. So kind of the game to play. I'm the one that decided to build a drift car, and then if I can decide to daily drive it. We'll see. I just had somebody taking a photo of me in the parking lot though, so they're probably like, oh, there's one guy who should BMW. People are funny, man. Anybody gonna move up? I saw somebody else moving up. Dude, this poor lady in front of me, she's tried to order like 4 different things and they're out of all of it. Maybe that's why they're so slow. They're just like scavenging for, you know, crumbs of ingredients, but whatever. Oh boy. I hope I got the energy to do anything. I don't even have either of my tripods though, because my little guy's on my toolbox and the other guy's hanging on the wall at the shop. I just took it out of the car too. So bummed.
Hi there, thanks for choosing our Starbucks. What can I get going for you today?
Good morning, can I just do a grande iced caramel macchiato?
Okay.
That'll be it.
You got it, 612 at your window today, thank you.
Cool, thank you. See, I don't get why most people can't just have simple coffee orders. Some of these people gotta be all stupid. Finally, got this coffee. And something in the back right of this car just makes it seem like it's really broken. Like, I can't tell if it's welded diff noises or if it's something else. Unless this diff bolt's just breaking because it's just a cheap Ace Hardware one, but I don't know, I guess we'll find out, eh? I just know that until I get that upgraded bolt put in here, I can't dare clutch kick this thing. I feel like it's just diff noises and I'm just being paranoid because everything else in this car is like brand new, so it's probably just a mix of poly bushings, welded diff, stuff like that, and I'm just being a little baby about it. I'm super tired. Kind of sucks, man. I just got no stamina these days, so it was annoying. About a year and a half ago, I was like, oh, you know, I'm gonna start going to the gym. That way I can, you know, build up some muscle, build up some stamina. Lo and behold, I just got more into the gym stuff than I did skating. All right, well, I suppose that pretty much wraps it up. I mean, not a whole lot else going on. I'm just gonna go get some water since I drank all mine and go wait for some jobs to hit me up. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. You know, minimal skating. I apologize for that. There was guys here and I just felt really uncomfortable setting up my phone because I didn't have anything to set it up with. Didn't even have a water bottle, like a big one. So I drank all my little stuff. So I had nothing but my little bit of coffee left over to set up the thing with. So next time, I'll be sure to have my one of my tripods with me so I can set either my camera up or my phone up and get some footage for you guys. But anyways, guys, thanks for spending some time of your day here with me. If you enjoyed the video, let me know in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, you should subscribe and get your t-shirts at velocityracefab.com. Do so for you with the rest. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.